Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush. Okay, so Tableau has released one big announcement. Okay, so today I get to know basically it's have been released yesterday because I get to know. So Tableau has introduced Tableau Desktop free, meaning you can download it's free from your Tableau website. It's no trial version like 15 days or 30 days. You can download it. It's free for lifetime. Okay. So you can see I've opened my Tableau desktop and you can see in Tableau site itself, it mentioned Tableau desktop download for free. Earlier it had you have the 30 days or 15 days you need to like register. Then after 15 or 30 days that he had asked about your the licenses. Okay, but it will gone now. You can download it from free. Okay, yes, there is some limitation over here. So you cannot publish your data through like what we have in Tableau Cloud or Tableau Server. But yes, you can connect the n number of data sources in Tableau, or you can say in local desktop itself. You can connect, you can create a visualization top of that. You can uh, you can share the works, but you cannot publish in Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud data sources. Okay, so that is the big announcement from the Tableau side, and that's the very great step ahead. Okay, so also the in 2026.1, there are the lots of so many features are releasing from the Tableau side, like semantic layer is there, Tableau prep is also there. Okay, so many things are there. So that is the things I would like to discuss with you. So the Tableau desktop is free. You can download it from the Tableau sites. No registration is required, no credit card, nothing is else. Just go Tableau site, navigate it to your Tableau desktop. Just hit the download and start working on that. Create the visualization top of that. Okay. So that is the information I would like to share with you. Thank you guys for watching this.